Alright, y'all, so today we're gonna be making some ensaladadepapa, aka potato salad.
Yeah, so funny story, I actually grew up never liking potato salad. I'm overall just not a mayo girly, so I just strictly stood away from it for majority of my life, which is funny because I'm Puerto Rican. So you know it's at every single event, just any Sunday, any time, okay? But when I started making it at my grown age, I'm like, okay, I think I could get with this. So with that being said, you're gonna start by chopping your vegetables. I chopped up some green pepper, some red pepper, and y'all, Honeycrisp apples. Do not sleep on this. Y'all know I would never steer y'all wrong. Try it. I chop up some red onions, some garlic, some carrots, some celery. Then I chop up some russet potatoes about 1/2 inch thick. And while you're doing that, you wanna boil 3 eggs. I boiled them for 12 minutes exactly. Now, once your eggs are ready, you wanna place them in an ice bath and let them cool completely before cutting into them. And now for your russet potatoes, you want to put them in cold water and then bring them to a boil. Then once they start boiling, put a lid halfway on and allow that to boil till they're fork tender. Now, same thing for these potatoes. You want to allow them to cool for about 5 to 10 minutes before smashing them. Now you just want to combine all your ingredients to a bowl. Now you want to add a tablespoon of pickle juice, 1/2 cup of mayo, about 3 tablespoons of either yellow mustard or Dijon mustard. I do prefer Dijon. 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. Then add 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. This is gonna cut the vinegary saltiness of it and kind of bring it all together. After seasoning to taste, I just mash up my potatoes. Now, I still like my potato salad with a little bit of bite, so I only lightly mash it with a potato masher and a spatula, but obviously you can mash it to your desired texture. Now place that in the fridge to chill for a minimum of 30 minutes and serve. And I promise y'all, if y'all wasn't a fan of potato salad before this, you will now. Thank me later.